Welcome to Thursday. Yeah. I hope you like my road trip. Yeah, hope you like my road trip. You don't have to like the alloys, or it's up to you. It's a personal choice. So we're back in the garage. Wanted to have had the thing in primer in this video. I've been trying to do it for a couple of days, but things have been distracted. So, which is a bit silly because I need to really get this in primer before anything starts rusting and before it rains. But I'm not going to be able to do it today. I just haven't got time. I've got to. So what I thought I'd do is I'll just do a couple of little pinholes and stuff like that. Get a few of them done before we then etch prime it, and we can go from there. So yeah, thank you for the wife for washing my top, even though it doesn't look very clean. And yeah, one thing we've got to do though is fix our strip lights. I've just replaced that tube. A side effect of sandblasting, it blew all the strip lights out. So yeah, maybe I wouldn't recommend sandblasting in your garage sometimes. Got to fix that first. Okay, I don't actually have 4 to replace, I only have 3. So at least we've got 3 in there as a start. So yeah, I know, silly, but anyway, all good. Echo. That's how echoey this place is without any sort of junk everywhere. Still down the sandblasters, the guy's done half the stuff. I'm waiting for him to give me a shout and I'll go collect the other bits. But I'm not in a rush, obviously. I've got plenty of other stuff to do. And yeah, so let's fill some holes, which I think the first one I might do, I'll just turn you around. Let's do some simple ones, just here. I'll say simple. So I'm hoping just to get some weld on them and grind them off. Don't have to be too perfect, because obviously the rubber's on there, but the main thing is the rubber's on there and it doesn't leak. And there's another little holes on the other side. I'll try and get them so they're a bit more visible maybe. The other side's a lot worse, but I think maybe salvageable. So yeah, sorry about the volume if it's no good. And I've just got a couple of little pinholes we'll try and do something with. Let's go see if we can find the angle grinder, wherever it's gone. Okay, hopefully that wasn't too rocket sciencey. Basically, what was I covered in sand? Anyway, yeah, just plug the holes. Quite nice welding when you don't have to grind any rubbish away, it's all just done for you. I've got one little screw which busted off, so I must do that. It's like big piano hinges. Hold the rear window in. So let's grind this off and see what we can get it to look like. Yeah, that's not too bad, that'll do. Grind it down with a little bit of 80 grit. What I haven't done today is open up a can of beer, so we'll do that. Just having a look, see what else we've got on this side to do. And just check YouTube for the comments in case people want me to. Sometimes nice to reply to people in it quite quickly if I can. I try my best to. Obviously sometimes the wife's trying to talk to me or something like that, so it's a bit tricky. Let's have a think what else to do. Okay, just got a couple of little bits around the gutter here. A bit more where I actually ground the thing off when I was grinding, and when I was spot welding actually I blew a few holes. So I'm just going to see if I can get a bit of aluminium plate behind there and just see if we can build it up a little bit just to make it a little bit okay. I can't remember if Mk1's have a plastic strip. I wouldn't have thought they do. But let's see if we can just build the gutter back up a little bit. That's alright. I've done worse work, that's for sure. Yeah. Caused it a bit of a go. Just looking a bit better, aren't I, into the concourse competitions. So yeah. I really got to move around on the other side, but I just don't want to tonight. Way nearly knocked the gas bottle over with my arse. So there's a few pinholes down on the floor we could try and fill. So I think I'll do that. I'll move the old camera around. So you do that. There's a big thud's going on. Ooh, looks like a star at night, isn't it? Yeah, let's do a few pinholes while we're here. I think I got rid of some of them. There's quite a few holes because that you can see they're to do with the screw holes for the push button start, things like that, push button headlights. And that's what I'm sticking with my whole thing. So somebody did say about the push button light. What did I do? Saying it had a date on it. I'm going to go look for it in a second. Let's go look for it after I've ground these down. Make a nice end to the video. See if we can find a date of some kind. Somebody was saying there was a date on the underside of it. Let's have a look. Alrighty, not sure much I've got done tonight, but I've got some done. Yeah, I've got to get it in primer. I will get it in primer. It has to be in primer because it only takes a second for the old weather to turn. And get damp out here and then bosh. Tightening up this gas bottle. Sorry Mark, I didn't show you the for Mark's sake, let me just show you the gas bottle figures, Mark. You noting them down, let me know. Okay, with the Matthew usual skill, we've managed to lose the dip switch. I found it! Hey, I found it! I got it! Somebody said about a date. What's on the underside of that? What's we got there? I don't know if they meant the underside of this switch or the underside underneath the switch. Definitely can't see anything stamped in the floor. So, what we got here? Lucas 2SA England F. So, no, sorry mate. I could well be looking in the wrong place. Hang on. Something stamped on there. I think it's got a 6 and maybe a 64, which would make sense because logbook says 64. Can't really tell. Had a bit of sound in it, it looked clearer. Definitely a 6 there. Maybe a 64, which would make sense. I don't know if that's where it's supposed to be, guys. Can't see anything there, can you? Let me move you over. Get some light. Yeah. Number. Something just there. Oh, yeah, that's even clearer now. Yeah, it's got 64 on it. It's got a 6 and a 64. Just there. So, tells me that the pedal's from 64. The rest of the car's from 86. That's from 64. Anyway, chicken fajitas we had for tea tonight. Yeah, all good, guys. Catch you on. You're getting there. Some more bits for the pickup arrived as well. If you're a patron, I'll show you some pictures. If not, wait for the next video and I'll show you some more. Bye bye. That's a really clear picture there, actually.